Okay, let's create a logo from a text object. So we'll select this cube and delete. Then from add a text object. Now let's go to the rotation and change the rotation X to 90. Press enter. Then view, cameras, active camera. Okay. Now press N or click on this one so we can see, look at the properties. This is the properties. Let's go to the view tab and under view log, check log camera to view. Press N to close again. Now MMB, shift MMB, scroll, frame the object. Now text is selected. Let's go to the font tab, or this is basically data tab. Now expand geometry. Now let's add an extrude value, 0.02. Let's zoom in so you can see what's going on. This is the extrude. Now I want to round this edge, so let's go for a bevel, and we'll be adding a bevel amount here. So depth will be 0.01. Okay, and let's add more resolution here because the resolution value is only 4, so we'll add in 24 for resolution under bevel, as well as we need to match this with undershape render U. This will be 24 as well, so 24 here and 24 here. Okay, let's change the view top and we'll add a plane object. Press S and scale this, should be large enough. Then again go back for camera view with the shortcut numpad 0, and we'll be positioning the camera. Okay, let's go back to the top view again with the shortcut 7, numpad 7, because the light is behind this object. So we'll be dragging this line with the move tool. We'll be dragging this light in front of. Let's go back to 1, which is the front. Drag the line down. I'm using 1 for front and 7 for top view. Then again 0 for the camera view. Light color will be a little yellow, just a tad, kind of warm. And power will be 5000. Let's go for a material for the text. Select the text. Under material tab, click on new. This will create a new material. Just change the color to some blue or any color you want. Okay. And to see the material, we need to click this one, which is viewport shading. Okay, that's it. Render the scene from here. Render image. That's it.